Well, I think one of the points is all of the so-called victims that the government was trying to look for was individual investors, whereas individual investors were actually very tiny parts of the 1 billion. We do understand with all of the entities and enterprises that were mentioned in the indictment, many of the investment also came from big well-known family and also institutional investors as well.
Yeah.
None of these big well-known family or institutional investment hedge funds have claimed that they are actually victims of the schemes, so-called. Remember, the former president of GTV was actually John Morgan. Mr. John
That's
Morgan
right.
also attended our ceremony with the new federal state of China as well, right? So you could only tell that there was only very limited numbers of people that the government can actually find and can actually put on the claims. And this was primarily why, when you saw the calculation, we understand, the majority of the investments or the majority of the investors understood, how much pressure that this investment have been attacked by the Chinese Communist Party.
Yeah.
And I think, Ava will introduce more because of these legal documents also confirm that there was a role that CCP played, into the journey.
Yeah, for sure. So I don't know how they can find a way to preclude all of us saying that we're not the victim of Miles Guo, we're a victim of the CCP.